I would be quickly covering that who should learn SAP TM. A lot of freshers come to me, right? Freshers mean not that they don't have a industry experience. They have industry experience of 1 or 2 years. Even some freshers who have just passed out and they came that TM is booming, boss. Salaries are way high. We have put it some success stories in the YouTube for our candidates who got trained on TM and placed with TM. Listen to those success story. Bhupender would be sharing the link. But it's not a module for freshers, right? If you are a fresher and if you want to learn TM, we suggest you to first learn SD. SD has a very close linkage with the TM. MM is also closely linked, but SD is a very closely linked. So we expect people to first learn any of the basic modules. We suggest SD. You can learn another also, but you should learn SD first, right? The people who has already on the SD and MM module, okay, and they have a 3 to 4 years of experience, they are looking to upskill themselves. This is one of the best module. TM and EWM is one of the best module for MM and SD consultant to upskill themselves. You will see the number of growth. You're not getting 100% growth. You are into the package of 15 lakh, 18 lakh, and you want 100% growth. You will get it with these advanced modules. So you are the right candidates. If you are a TM end user in a company, TM core user in a company, you are the right candidate for this course. You should learn SAP TM. If you are new to SAP, but you have a very deep experience in logistics execution, you're working in some logistics service provider, or you're working into one of the shipper, and your responsibility is to manage transportations, right? You in core, you are very deep into it, then you can start directly with TM, but still you need to learn some basic concept of SD also. But if you have a 5 to 7 years of core logistics experience, transportation experience, managing the transportation in operations, you can jump directly. But always refresh your basics from SAP SD. That's what I suggest. If you're already working on one of the module, you want to cross-train yourself on SAP TM, you can also go ahead with SAP TM. It's a very good module with that for that.